knock on that door so you can get in. And don't mind the time, forget all that's been.
Silky Cream Cleanser blended with exquisite plant extracts and pure Dead Sea minerals to deeply cleanse and balance a normal to combination skin.
Secret path that leads to her house. Climb the stairs to the roof, lay flat on your back.
Massage over the face and neck morning and evening and remove with fresh warm water or damp cotton wool.
On the sunny side, take a walk on the sunny side of wash up in a stream.
My top cleansing tip is to always do 2 cleanses. First to remove impurities and the second to clean deep down into the pores.
The space with your own melody. Once in a while, when you miss the breeze, just look at the scars.
To find out more about us, please visit our website, spafineskincare.com.